Hey guys, it's Miss Cash, and I just wanted to show you how to log on to Seesaw for the first time online. So if you're going to use a computer, you're just going to go to seesaw.com, and it's going to load the whole thing. You're going to click log in. Then you're going to click I'm a student. And then you are going to click the text code box and type in whatever text code your teacher gives you. Your teacher has a special 12-letter code that just looks like gibberish that you can type in there. And then you're going to click go. So now I logged in for AZA. So now I am online. And when I log in, I'll be able to see all of the different things that I have assigned right here. Let's see if I can use my pointer. Yep, right here. And if I want to look at what I have to do for the day, I'll just click activities and it will be organized by date. For example, right now I just have writing workshop, and you can see what your teacher assigned you right here. Okay, I know that I need to write about my favorite pet and I need to include 3 reasons. Then I'm going to click add response. And I'm probably going to just have written this on my own paper and take a photo of it. So I will just click the photo button. Then I would hold up my paper right to the camera to make sure that my teacher can read it. This is not really writing, of course. And then take a photo. And when I'm done, and I know that my teacher can see what I wrote here, I'm going to click that green check mark in the upper right-hand corner. And then I'll get a little notification that says waiting for teacher approval, and I'll be able to see what I submitted for that writing. Okay, that is all you need to know for now. Any announcements that you need to see will also pop up right here when you check in. If you want to check and see what is happening or what you completed on a certain day, you'll be able to click the calendar. But remember, when you log on, all you need to do is click activities and it will tell you what you have to submit for the day. Right now, it says there are no activities waiting for your response because Aza already submitted everything that was due. So you'll log on, go to activities, and you're good to go.